almost here and we do a lot of preparations for this festival, a lot of shopping for this festival and हम सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा वेट करते हैं इस फेस्टिवल का, बहुत सब लोग अच्छे से तैयार होते हैं and so do we want our hairstyle to look perfect on this day. So in this video I am going to share with you a super duper easy hairstyle that you can create in just 2 to 5 minutes and not more than that. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting with the first hairstyle, the first step is take a side parting like this, whichever side you take, and then take some section of your hair from the front and then divide it into 2 sections like this, and then start twisting it over one another like this so that it looks like a rope. After you reach the end, start pulling your hairs from above so that it looks a little bit voluminous. And then secure it over here with the tic tac pin or bobby pin, whichever you like. So yes, this is how it looks and it takes no time, and I am pairing it with simple traditional jhumki earrings like this, and it will give you a proper look on the occasion of Diwali. And yes, this is how it looks. For the next hairstyle, start by taking a middle parting like this and then take a little section of your hairs like this and start twisting it towards inside, but really neat. After twisting a couple of times, secure it with the bobby pin. Then take little hairs from here and start twisting it. And then secure it towards the back side. After you are done with one side, repeat the exact same thing on this side. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this hairstyle has become personally my favorite. And yes, this is how it looks. I have paired it with this oxidized earrings. You can pair it with even a मांग टीका, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैंने भी लगा के देखा था, but मुझे ये ज़्यादा earrings अच्छे लगे. Oxidized earrings you can go with झुमकास, traditional, golden or even oxidized. So yes, I am in love with this hairstyle. This hairstyle, you can even tie up your hairs into a pony like this. Even this looks super cute on any kind of outfit, whether it's traditional or it's ethnic wear or western wear, anything. So yes, moving on towards the next hairstyle. Okay, so the last but not the least hairstyle, it is going to be a bun, and it's a must, I guess. So begin by taking a middle parting and then start twisting your front hairs towards the back like this, and once you reach behind your ear, secure it with the bobby pin and then repeat the same thing on this side. After you are done with twisting on both the sides, just take all of your hairs and just tie a messy bun. After that, remove some of your hairs from the front and Yes, this is how it looks, and I am in love with this hairstyle again, and it will give you a perfect traditional look on the occasion of Diwali. And again, I am in love with this hairstyle. Yes. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section that which hairstyle do you like the most. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Have a safe Diwali. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.